Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. Now today's day is interesting because Neha is telling me she's going to surprise me with what could she surprise me? She's saying some car. I know she was driving a Maserati a few days back. Is she getting the Maserati? I don't know. I'm standing so tall here right now. Let's get going to our usual shoot spot यार. कुछ तो नया ढूंढते हैं आज. So this is the Mercedes E-Class. I have been driving it since the past few days and it has been an absolute fun experience because oh my god.
Voila! Yeah!
Where did this come from?
She was here only. I was hiding it from you.
And why would you do that?
Because again you'll get
You told me you sold it and you bought a duster.
If you can make a story, why can't I?
So वही है नंबर. नहीं, I was thinking कोई और गाड़ी तो नहीं लेकर आ गई. Scene क्या? What's the scene like?
Nothing.
Did you get it to be like cheaper E-Class version is superb?
Really?
No, what's the scene? Tell me.
There's no scene. I was actually hiding it from you.
इतने दिन तूने इतने साल गाड़ी छुपा के कैसे रखी?
एक ही साल तो हुआ है. तुम तो छुपा नहीं रही थी. मैं चोरी छुपे चला रही थी.
ऐसा कोई
चोरी डालती कुछ करती तो तुम फिर मार.
एक second. Some or the other person would have spotted and sent pictures that Neha Subha. Tell me what is the scene? You sold the car and you bought it back.
No, I didn't sold the car.
तुमने rent पे छोड़ी. She put it in Zoom car. I think that is the situation right now. But finally we are going to vlog on this car. So give me the keys right away.
मस्त लगती है सुपर.
हाँ एकदम superb है Mercedes E-Class.
हाँ. समझ रहे हो तुम?
Now I'm completely clueless why Neha actually bought the car. However, अभी मेरे को walk around करना है. दोनों गाड़ी का walk around करूँगा quickly. Then we'll get driving the Superb because मैंने E-Class का vlog कर दिया driving vlog. So अभी Superb का बाकी है. Superb का करेंगे. Then we'll find out from her कि इसने ये गाड़ी लाई कहाँ से. I'm telling you there's some scheme. Zoom car में डाली थी या Ola में डाली थी या Uber में डाली थी. कहीं तो डाली थी. कुछ तो सीन है because ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि इसने Superb बेची नहीं है.
मैंने तुम्हें भनक नहीं लगने दी. तुम्हें पता चल जाता तो तुम फिर दोबारा मेरी गाड़ी चुरा के चले जाते.
Excuse me.
Excuse भैया.
Fast beamers are everywhere. They would have informed me if they've seen the car. Did any of you guys use this car for Uber?
वही खौफ में तो मैंने गाड़ी छुपा दी थी.
तो छुपा के ऐसे मतलब सड़ी हुई खड़ी थी क्या? Because it's not like a vintage car कि तुमने खड़ी करके छोड़ दी और भूल गई. Come on यार fast beamers, तुम लोग ने मुझे बताया नहीं ये गाड़ी तुमने अगर Uber में यूज़ की है तो please let me know by leaving a comment below. Alright, right now I'm in the place I should be, which is the rear seat of the Mercedes E-Class, and I can recline the seat by 37 degrees. That is so awesome, but you know what? We need more light somehow, and unfortunately that light is not there. But I'm going to close the rear sunblind, of course, because privacy matters as well. And there you see, I'm opening the roof of the car, the sun blinds on the roof, which is also quite cool. But you know what, we need privacy, so this thing needs to be shut, and to do that it's quite easy. All I need to do is press a button and there, this also closes. Now thing is, I'm actually trying to do multiple things at one time and I'm closing and opening the wrong things all the time. So much confusion happening because there's so many controls right here. But the problem is that where is the space? No problem, here we're going to increase the space because the rear seat experience of this car is absolutely mind-boggling. It is just amazing. Look at this, I'm just pushing the seat ahead, spreading my legs, and this is a different experience altogether. Now the thing is that Jeeves is obviously driving, so I'll tell Jeeves to just cushion the way she drives so that the ride quality is great. Jeeves! Jeeves is not able to hear. Jeeves, please drive properly. So you know what, I'm the person who always loves driving, but in the Mercedes E-Class I rather sit at the rear bench. Trust me, it is so amazing. This rear seat experience of this car is just something else. It's mind-blowing. It is phenomenal, and you've also got a screen here which you have to tap 50 times so that it wakes up. उठ जा. अरे आज उठेगा कि कल उठेगा? So you know there should have been a button here somehow. Maybe I think this is something Android based. That's why it's so sleepy. So basically with this screen now, I can do a lot of things. Like I can control all the settings of the car, and especially this experience of sitting at the rear bench is even better at night because of the ambient lighting. It's got 64 colors for the ambient lighting as well. That's so phenomenal. What a rear seat. That's the reason why the E-Class is the top selling car in its segment. Now if you don't mind, I'll take a nap. कैसी लगी गाड़ी?
गाड़ी जैसी लगी, एकदम मस्का मार के.
That didn't even make sense.
It's very good.
स्टाइल है अपना. हमेशा उंगली मेरी नीचे घुसती है सीट के टू एडजस्ट. मर्सिडीज में ऊपर रहता है. लेट्स गेट इनटू ड्राइव. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज आई हैव शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम द रियर बेंच टू द फ्रंट वन. वो गाड़ी को ठोकूंगा मैं. सुपर्ब एक्चुअली. I love the fact that this motor is so refined, yet it has the punch also, and the steering wheel is obviously amazing. It has an amazing steering wheel. It's so comfortable, so luxurious, in spite of not having air suspension. It doesn't have SS, but still the ride quality is brilliant. That floatiness is obviously missing, but still this is a brilliant car. Absolutely phenomenal in the way it drives. Now it's not sporty at all. It's not stiff, but in the comfort way, it's absolutely phenomenal in the way it drives. I love the E-Class so much. I can't believe I'm saying this. The E220D, because I'm more of a E63 person, and chalo E63 भी नहीं तो E350D, but E220D मुझे इतनी पसंद है. I could never ever imagine. That's absolutely stellar the way this car has been engineered for pure comfort and luxury. Mercedes always does a fab job. The steering is such a shock to me now because it's so light and easy and nimble and agile at low speeds, and you can't feel the weight of the car, 1800 kgs, and you can't feel the size of the car, which you already know is 5 meters, more than 5 meters in terms of length. The wheelbase is more than 3 meters. You can't feel that. You can like twirl it like this. That is how amazing it is. And of course, this is a rear wheel drive car. Yeah, this is a rear wheel drive car, and you can turn off traction control. You can spin the rear wheels as well. That is again something which is you will obviously see in the driving log of this car. You can I mean I can't tell you to click here right now because it doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Now if you could turn the camera like a little bit, give people a little frontish view of the car, which always says tire pressure. You know now that I had a tire issue as soon as the car came, which is kind of unfortunate. I love the car. I love the E-Class. It is so amazing, and that's the reason why it is the top seller in the segment. Now, of course, I miss a lot of things. Like, how could you not offer memory seats at the front? That's shocking to me. How could you not offer ventilation and massage, which is also there in the Hyundai Creta and the Verna and whatnot? So yeah, that's something which I really miss on the E-Class. But other than that, superb. It's absolutely not the Skoda kind, but the Mercedes kind of superb, absolute stellar elegance as well. I just turn off that thing.
And we are new superb. ब्रेक मारो भैया.
So right now I think I've done driving the E-Class for the day because अभी सुपर पे भी vlog करना है, तो अभी थोड़ा सुपर पे फोकस करेंगे. I'll tell you how it is to drive, but I'm too worried about the fungus. I came out to speak about this because नेहा के सामने करूँगा तो बोलेगी मत चला गाड़ी में फंगस है ना, फंगस तेरी नाक में है and all that she'll say. So I thought, let me tell you something, that there's a lot of fungus. So if you see that expression on my face like, समझ जाना कौन सी ज़्यादा पसंद है. E-Class any freaking day.
If I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding up my middle finger too.
क्या हो गया? Why are you throwing your camera?
को बोलते ट्रांजिशन शॉट. सो नेहा, हाउ डिड द सुपर्ब कम बैक? जानना चाहती है जनता क्या है कहानी खोई हुई सुपर्ब की.
सुपर्ब कहीं नहीं खोई थी.
एक्चुअली चोरी हो गई थी, एंड बिकॉज चोरी होने के बाद अभी फाइन क्या.
जब तुम्हें सब पता है तो फिर बोल ही क्यों रहे हो? आप पूछते क्यों हो?
अच्छा चलो,
ये गुड रिपोर्टर है.
जानिए ये सुपर्ब कैसे चोरी हुई, हम आपको बताएंगे. द नेशन वांट्स टू नो वेयर डिड दिस सुपर्ब कम फ्रॉम. टेल मी वेयर डिड दिस सुपर्ब कम फ्रॉम. बताइए.
ओके, सुपर्ब का व्लॉग
बताइए हमें किधर से आई. अच्छा टेल मी ना. हाँ अभी व्लॉग भी करना बाकी है, अभी व्लॉग करने जा रहे हैं. नेहा इज लाइक टेलिंग मी व्हाट यू नो, ठीक से चलाना अगर बंद पड़ गई तो मैं धक्का नहीं मारने वाली, क्योंकि स्कोडा कार्स के साथ अक्सर ऐसा होता है.
नहीं होता.
ट्रू फैज वी मस्ट नो येटी के साथ क्या हुआ.
हाँ, because the car was old. If you're not going to take
अच्छा ये तो नई नवेली है ना.
हाँ तो तुम पागल जैसे बीन दोगे तो क्या होगा.
बीन व्हाट इज दैट.
Yeah, right.
चलो आज के ब्लॉग में यूज करूंगा. लेट्स गिव इट द बीन्स. बहुत दिन से बोला नहीं है, आज बोल दूंगा. काफ़ी स्टिफ है गाड़ी यार, बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल, मुझे प्यूकिश हो रहा है और फंगस की भी स्मेल मेरी नाक में घुस। आई मीन मैं इस गाड़ी की नहीं बात करता, मैं मेरे कमरे में ऐसा कुछ हो रहा था। चलो इधर आजा, हम चलाएंगे।
यस मैम, ऑर्डर बोलिए। व्हाट डू यू वांट टू हैव?
कोल्ड कॉफ़ी विद एक्स्ट्रा चॉकलेट, डबल चॉकलेट, ट्रिपल चॉकलेट।
चॉकलेट कोल्ड कॉफी 1। देखो हैप्पी मील भी खाना।
टॉय कौन सा है? टॉय
Which toy do you have right now? Veg में, non-veg में?
टॉय
Toy,
वेज
which
वेज
is-
टॉय।
Hello? Which toy do you have? Do you have a happy meal? Happy meal है ना मैम। तो
कौन-
टॉय कौन सा है?
खिलौना कौन सा है, वेज या नॉन वेज? खिलौना हम हैमली से ले लेंगे।
हैमली से।
हाँ बोल।
हेलो, थैंक यू भैया।
एक सेकंड रुक जाओ।
I'll tell you everything that I heard. So we're forced to feel it, you know.
मेरे को एक गिलास पानी मिलेगा?
पानी क्यों चाहिए?
हैंड वॉश।
कॉफी में हैंड वॉश?
डू यू वांट टू डू हैंड वॉश? ए बदतमीज। नो व्हिप क्रीम दे हैव।
कॉफी में सनस्क्रीन क्यों डालोगी?
सीधा सोचो यहीं पे डाल दो, काम खत्म करो।
वो अकेला बैठा है रोनाल्ड।
एग्जैक्टली, बेचारे ने भी मास्क पहन रखा है। हाँ भैया, हमसे ही आके सारा कुछ ले दो। जमीन जायदाद भी तुम्हारे नाम पे।
इधर राइट में लगाओ, गाड़ी लगाओ। पिकनिक चल रही है,
I
किसी के पास
swear.
मास्क नहीं है। पता है पाद ने क्या किया?
नहीं।
ये वीआईपी का देते हैं ना, उसने अपनी गाड़ी पे लगा के रखा है। अरे उसने वीआईपी लगाया और बर्गर किंग जॉकी दे रहा है और केएफसी रूपा दे रहा है।
जॉकी इज सम अदर ब्रांड।
जोक होता है ना तो हंस लिया करो, अच्छा लगता है।
टटाई जोक मारोगे तो थोड़ी ना हंसी आने वाली हम।
एक बात बताओ, ये सीट बेल्ट के होल्डर क्यों डाले हैं इसने?
मैं काम से काम रखो ना, तुम आम खाओ ना, तुम्हें व्लॉग करना है ना, व्लॉग करो, चलते हुए ना मेरी कॉफी करा दो।
आम का सीजन क्या है अभी?
बम्बार्टमेंट कभी भी किसी वक्त शुरू हो सकती है। ठड़ान। तो तुम घर से बाहर क्यों निकलते और हमें भी क्यों निकलवाते हो? लुक एट माय कॉफी, लुक सो अमेजिंग। शी इज डोप। कहाँ है मेरी कॉफी में नजर लगा ले हो?
You know what? This is a car you can twirl the steering like this and absolutely goes. क्या हुआ, क्या गिरा? चिल्ला क्यों रही हो तुम? जरा फोकस करो। Okay, define happiness. Shooting 2 vlogs in a day, done with the Skoda Super vlog. I feel so happy. I actually enjoy driving this car. You know why? Because old cars have a charm, and that's why I think I'm the only person, vlogger, YouTuber, creator, whatever, who makes vlogs on old cars, like cars as old as this. Now I know you have to deal with fungus and all. In fact, in my pocket I put this moisture absorbing stuff, gel and all. But Neha should not know this. Her car is full of fungus. In fact, I've got mushroom seeds to grow them inside the car. I actually hate mushrooms. I'm sure many of you are not even aware of it. Surprisingly, the headlight washers actually work on this car. And now the plan is very simple. Abhi Neha ko tata bye bye kahenge. I'll go home, freshen up, charge the batteries and all, and then I'm going to go for, you guessed it right, to shoot more vlogs, which happen to be the vlog of 2 scooters, motorcycles. एक scooter, एक motorcycle, ये सब भी करना है. चलो मिलते हैं बाद में.
I feel it every time I think I'll be fine. Every time I think I'll be fine.
And I have always believed that life is a circle, so we started from here in the morning and we are ending here. This is the E-Class, that is the Skoda Superb. I can't believe that the length gap between both the cars isn't that much, but the price gap is so massive. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you liked it, make sure to give it the thumbs up. मैं और अगर घूमूंगा ना तो मैं गिर जाऊंगा, इसलिए इसे यहीं पे खत्म करते हैं. Bye bye.